Okay, I don't make content roasting people. I don't know. I don't approve of that. However, in this video, I'm not going to be roasting anyone, but I need to react to something that is so absurd. And relates to content I've made on this channel, which so it's sort of like I can relate to it, right? It has to do with a tutorial on Xbox. And I've made tutorials on this channel like 1,000 times, right? So this tutorial is probably one of the most clickbait titles I've ever seen. And it relates to connecting AirPods to an Xbox One. So we're just going to hop right into it and react to this thing real quick. I know this isn't a tutorial and I don't normally make this kind of content. It's sort of tech related and Xbox related. But yeah, next upload is going to be actually useful information for you guys on how to actually do something, since it's a tutorial based channel. We're going to go into screen record right here. And we're going to reacting to this video. It's titled How to Connect Your AirPods to Xbox One. Let's just go
What is up, guys?
all the way back. Let's react to it.
Welcome back to another video on my channel. Now in this video, guys, today I have some explaining to do. Obviously, you guys know I was trying to go for videos every single day until Christmas. Now,
this isn't the important
do
part.
a video today, and I decided I haven't done a tutorial video in a while.
So he's making a tutorial on how to connect AirPods to Xbox, right? I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory in the title.
And as you guys can see, we got my Xbox playing some 2K.
Okay, so he's playing 2K. Let's fast forward.
And the iPhone, whatever iPhone charger that obviously plugs into the AirPod case.
So if you don't know where he's going with this, he's basically connecting his AirPods to his Xbox via a Lightning to USB A cable, which to charge, not actually use them on your Xbox to charge them.
Now, as you guys can see inside the AirPods, we actually got the AirPods. So
and as I said, there's no hate in this video. It's just it's sort of like a critique of and I'm open for criticism all the time. You guys know that. I experience tons of hate on this channel. However, I wouldn't go so far as make a video this bad. I don't want to say this is bad, because technically he didn't do anything wrong. It's just that it's very misleading. And technically the tutorial's accurate. This is how you connect your AirPods to your Xbox One. Just maybe phrase it in a different way.
Yeah, we got two of them.
Yep.
I'm gonna show you guys.
So he connects it to the side of the female USB port on the side of the Xbox One, the original one. This is the one I have, by the way. No hate.
And basically, you're gonna be plugging this in here.
You plug your Lightning port into that, and it starts charging. Why? Because your Xbox acts as a power source.
This video, guys, again, this is very requested. That's why I did this video.
It's it was requested because people want to know how to actually use a Bluetooth device on Xbox One, which I said in my last video or 2 videos ago, you literally can't do. And I apologize that you can't. That's Microsoft's problem. Don't blame me or this guy. Blame Microsoft for this. But
yeah, guys, I do hope you guys found it very useful. Try it out.
No hate to this guy. I'm sure his channel's fine. Look how many views he has in this video, but look how much hate it also has. And he had to disable comments, just 13,000 dislikes. Hey, I've disabled comments in my day. It's no big deal. Yeah, this was uploaded last year. Yeah, I mean, more power to him. It also doesn't show me subs he has. Oh, wait, no, it does. Sorry. I'm done. He has 87,000 subs. So this guy is way bigger than me. So he's clearly doing something right. Let me come back to OBS here. No hate to this guy, but clearly this video is very misleading, and I just found it humorous. I thought I'd bring some attention to it. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will be back with another tutorial in the next one, actually teaching you guys how to do something. Also, this hoodie is dope. Sadly, I don't sell this. I wish I did, but it's made by Color Moon or Moon Color, one of the two. You can find it on Amazon. If you guys want me to link this, just let me know, and I can put a link to this in the description. Maybe I'll title favorite sweatshirt or something. This is one that MKBHD wears. I don't know if you guys realize that. Just different color. He wears the red and black and white one. But yeah, as I said, no hate to this guy. Video was technically accurate, however, very misleading at the same time. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out the College Mazy podcast linked down below. We are trying to grow that to 1,000 followers as quickly as possible. So help support us on that journey. We appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.